Good morning all of you. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain the 25th key date assignment. So in that assignment the first question is solve x from x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. X by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So, what is it given in the question first of all? X by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 is given. So, here first we transpose the minus 1 by 4 into RHS side. That means 1 by 2 it is going to RHS side means plus 1 by 4. So, first we are finding out down here denominators once in. What is the denominators here? Different denominators or same denominators? Different denominators. So that's why we are taken as the LCM. So what is the LCM of 2 and 4? 4 is the LCM. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? 4 is the LCM. In 2 table 4 how many times it's cancelled? 2 times it's cancelled. And 4 table 4 how many times it's 1 time it's cancelled. So x by 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 3 by 4. 2 plus 1 3 by 4. Here 2 will be there, it is divisible. We are finding out the value of x value. So that's why we are the denominator 2 is there. The denominator going to RHS side means it is multiplication. So x is equal to 3 by 4 into 2. X is equal to 3 by 4 into 2. Here 4 in 2 table 4 how many times it's cancelled? 2 times it's cancelled. So x is equal to 3 by 2. What is the answer? X is equal to 3 by 2. We got the answer. Okay. And next. Second question. Second question is solve x from 5x plus 2 5x plus 2 by 2x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. So first we are taken as what is given in the question. What is given in the question? 5x plus 2 by 2x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. We cannot move that either LHS side or RHS side. So that's why we are doing cross multiplication. That means here denominator is multiplied with numerator and here denominator is multiplied with numerator. That means 2 into 5x plus 2 is equal to 1 into 2x plus 3. So in before of the brackets 2 we have. So that the 2 is multiplied with the whatever we have in the brackets. So 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10x plus 2 2s are 4. In RHS side also we are doing like that. 1 2s are 2x plus 1 3s are 3. So here RHS side 2x is there, that is come this LHS side means it is minus 2x. And here 4 is there, that going to that side means it is minus 4. It is minus 4. So 10x minus 2x 8x. And here 3 minus 4 minus 4. So x is equal to minus 1 by 8. So the value of x value how much? Minus 1 by 8. Okay. And next third question. Four-fifth of a number is greater than 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of the number. 3/4 of the number by 4. By 4. So find the number. Find the number. So here once see all of you, 4/5 of a number is greater than the 3/4 of the number. By 4 find the number. Here we don't know the number, so that's why we are taken as the number b x is equal to be taken. So the number is equal to x. So how much it is in x? 4/5. That means 4/5 of a number same. That means x by 4x by 5. 4x by 5. And next what is saying? 3/4 of the number. 3/4 of the 3/4 of the number. 3/4 of the number of this in this x. That means 3x by 4. 3x by 4. Okay. What is given in the question, that only I am taking up to here. So next one. Here 4/5 of the number is greater than the 3/4 of the number by 4. That is also we have taken. 4/5 of the number is greater than 3/4 of the number by how much? By 4. That means we are doing the subtraction. 4x by 5 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 4. 4x by 5 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 4. Here what is the LCM of 5 and 4? The LCM of 5 and 4 is so we get the here 4x by 5 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 4. So what is the LCM of 5 and 4? 20. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So in 5 table 20, how many times it's cancelled? 4 times it's cancelled. So that's why 4x into 4 minus, it is how many times it's cancelled? 4 table 5 times it's cancelled. 3x into 5 is equal to 4. So 4x into 4, 16x. 3x into 5, 15x by 20 is equal to 4. So 16x minus 15x by 20, x by 20 is equal to 4. These are 20 going that side means 4 into 20. 4 into 20. So 4 20s is how much? 4 20s is x is equal to 80. So what we get the value of x value? We get 80 is the x value. Okay. And next fourth question. The fourth question is, John sold his watch. John sold his watch for 301 rupees. How much he sold the watch? 301 rupees he sold watch. And he lost 14%. And lost how much percentage? He is 14% on it. Find the cost price of the watch. Find the cost price of the watch. Here one see all of you. We don't know the cost price. So that's why I find the cost price of the watch. But how much he sold? 301 rupees he sold. But he's lost how much percentage? 14%. Okay. So cost price of the watch. Cost we are taken as cost price of the watch. Here given in that question cost price of the watch? No, not given. So that's why what we are taken here? X we are taken. The cost price of the watch is equal to X we are taken. And lost how much in the X? 14%. So 14% of X. Okay. In the last 14% of X. Okay. And next 14 by 100 into X. That means 14 by 100 into X is equal to 14 X by, here percentage we are taking, that's why I am writing 100 here. Okay. 14 by formula we have SP is equal to CP minus loss. CP minus loss. Okay. So loss is equal to 14% of x. So 14% means I am writing 100. 14 by 100 into x is equal to 14x by 100. So selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. What is the selling price? 301 rupees. Cost price we don't know, x. And loss how much? 14x by 100. Loss how much? 14x by 100. Okay. So here 301 is equal to 100 into x, 100x minus 14x by 100. So the 100 come this side means 301 into 100. 100 minus 14. 100 minus 14 how much? 86x. 86x. So 301 into 100 is equal to 86. So value of x is equal to 350 rupees. What is the x value? We find out the 350 rupees. We find the x value. So last one is, so on solving the cost price of the watch is equal to how much we have found out the cost price of the watch? 350 rupees. The cost price of the watch is equal to 350 rupees. Okay. Next question. The fifth question is, a man driving his moped, a man driving his moped at 24 kilometers per hour. At 24 kilometers per hour reaches his destination 5 minutes late. Late to an appointment. Okay, so one man is traveling and it reaches destination 24 kilometers per hour. So 5 minutes late to appointment, and if we have drive at 30 kilometers per hour, he would reach his destination 4 minutes before. 4 minutes before time. How far his destination? How far his destination? So here we don't know the distance, so that's why we are taken as the distance. Let the distance is equal to, we are taken x. Let the distance is equal to, we are taken as x. Okay. Here time to taken. Next one, what is given, that one only I am taking here. Question what is given. Okay. Time to taken, cover x kilometers. Time to taken, cover x kilometers at 24 kilometers per hour is equal to x by 24 hours. X by 24 hours. And next, time to taken, cover x kilometers at, next what is given here? 30 kilometers is given. So 30 kilometers in x time is equal to x by 30. X by 30 we have taken. X by 30. And next, x by 30. So the difference between minutes. So the difference between two timings is how many minutes? 9 minutes. Okay, 9 minutes. That means 9 by 60. 9 by 60. Here minutes and it's 60. 9 by 60. So we are taken as first one is x by 24 and x by 30 is equal to 9 by 60. Is equal to 9 by 60. So what is the LCM of 24 and 30? 120. What is the LCM of 24 and 30? 120. So here 24 and 30 LCM is 120 and x by 120 is equal to 9 by 60. X by 120 is equal to 9 by 60. So the 120 going to that side means it is multiplication. What it is? Multiplication. So that means 9 by 60 into 120. So how many times it's cancelled? 2 times. So 2 nines are 18. So what is the value of x value? 18. It is the, we have to distance. That means the distance is equal to x is equal to 18. The distance x is equal to 18 kilometers. 18 kilometers. Okay. All of you. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.